Hello friends, in this video we will define scattered wave amplitude. Now here you can see an incident beam X-ray is falling onto this crystal. The wave vector of the incident beam is k bar. The crystal is scattering the wave in a different direction. The wave vector of the diffracted beam is k dash. Then you can prove that the difference in phase factor is given by e raised to I k bar minus k bar dash dot r bar. So the difference in phase factors between the beams scattered from volume elements that are r bar vector apart is given by this factor. So this is the origin and this is the volume element separated at an r bar distance, and the difference in phase factors between the wave scattered by those elements are given by this term. Now in order to define the amplitude of the wave scattered from the specimen, we assume that the amplitude of the wave is proportional to amplitude of the wave scattered is proportional to the concentration of local electrons n of r bar. So if concentration is more, then the amplitude of the scattered wave will also be more. So if we need to consider, or if we need to calculate the total amplitude of the wave scattered, what should we do? If n of r bar is the local electron concentration, then we should integrate this n of r bar over the whole volume to get the overall concentration of electrons in the whole crystal. So n of r bar is the local concentration of electrons, and we should multiply by dV the small volume element and integrate over the whole crystal, whole volume, in order to get the complete amplitude. And finally, in order to get the total amplitude, we should multiply this term with the phase factor e raised to I k bar minus k bar dash dot r bar. So what we have done here is multiplying the phase factor that we defined earlier, this term, with the concentration of local concentration of electrons, and multiplied by its small volume element, and finally integrated over the whole volume of the crystal. So we will define this term as the scattering amplitude. So we define the term f, scattering amplitude f, equal to integral dV n of r bar into exponential e raised to I k bar minus k bar dash dot r bar. Now we define delta k as k bar dash minus k bar. I think in the last video I mistakenly said delta k equal to k bar minus k bar dash, but it is actually k bar dash minus k bar. So you correct it now. Delta k is the wave vector of the scattered wave minus wave vector of the incident original beam. So if we do this substitution into this equation for the scattering amplitude, we can obtain f equal to integral dV n of r bar into exponential minus I into delta k bar dot r bar. So this is the equation for scattering amplitude from a crystal. So I hope you got the concept of scattering amplitude. We will see more about the structure factor and the atomic form factor in the coming videos. Thank you.